scientists have successfully created a mirror that bends light in ways thought impossible, defying the fundamental laws of optics. This achievement has left the scientific community stunned, as the implications of such a discovery could revolutionize our understanding of space and time. A team of researchers at a leading university has developed a new type of mirror that uses advanced nanotechnology to manipulate light in ways previously unachievable. Imagine a world where you can see objects from miles away, or even in other dimensions, thanks to this groundbreaking technology. But that's not the strangest part. The mirror also appears to have a life of its own, adapting to its surroundings and changing its behavior in response to external stimuli. The team has dubbed this phenomenon self-aware reflection, and it's causing quite a stir in the scientific community. To understand how this works, let's take a closer look at the underlying technology. The researchers used a combination of advanced materials science and artificial intelligence to create a mirror that can learn and adapt to new situations. It's like a super smart, high-tech mirror that can read your mind and adjust its behavior accordingly. But wait until you hear what comes next. The team has also discovered that the mirror can actually communicate with other mirrors, creating a network of interconnected reflections. This raises some fascinating questions about the nature of reality and the limits of our understanding. For centuries, defy the from laws of physics. Now, thanks to this breakthrough, we may be on the verge of a new era of scientific discovery. Applications of this technology are vast, and scientists have been varied. Defy the from laws of physics, advanced telescopes to medical imaging, and even space exploration. Imagine being able to see objects in space with unprecedented clarity, or even navigating through the cosmos with ease. But the implications of this technology go far beyond the scientific community. It could also have significant cultural and social impacts. For example, the rise of social media has already shown us how easily misinformation can spread through mirrors, or rather, reflections of reality. Now, with the ability to create entirely new realities through the power of reflection, we must consider the potential consequences of this technology. The question is, how will we use this power, and what will be the ultimate cost of our desire for knowledge and understanding? As we continue to explore the possibilities of this technology, one thing is certain: the future of reflection will never be the same. The team behind this breakthrough is already working on the next generation of self-aware mirrors, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But what does this mean for our understanding of reality, and how will we adapt to this new era of reflection? The implications are profound, and the world will be watching with bated breath as this technology continues to evolve. In the end, it's not just about the mirror, it's about the mirror within us, and the reflections that shape our perceptions of reality. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the world of reflection will never be the same again. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about this technology. Join the conversation, and together, let's explore the infinite possibilities of reflection and the future of humanity. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the latest scientific discoveries.